Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of all goodness. May there always be prosperity for all of us. Dear my Miss Delis, and dear my friends, before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Indri Aidini Rizari Shawalia. You can call me I or Indri. My name is 44241653. I'm from Communication Science Department and I come from campus Dewi Sartikabi. On this occasion, allow me to convey something that hopefully can be useful for all of us, namely, don't smoking in the campus area. Campus is our place to gain knowledge and to add experience and friends. In campus also currently have absolutely rules. One of them is no smoking in the campus area or don't smoking in the campus area, and which I personally agree with. As we know, cigarettes contain various kinds of substance them, mm, that can cause disease for people who consume them and for people who only inhale smoke accidentally. Cigarette smoke can cause discomfort for people who have diseases such as asthma and discomfort for others as well, especially after smoking through the cigarette carelessly, even though can harm many aspects, such as making the environment dirty and accidents that are not expected. Cigarette smoke contains thousands of chemicals including many toxic and carcinogenic. When exposed for long periods of time, it can cause increased risk for center, asthma attacks, lung problems, throat and eye infection. Well, besides being bad for health, in my opinion, buying cigarette is the same as burning money, where the money to buy cigarettes can be used to buy more useful needs. If we talk about rights, indeed humans have the right to use money, but I'm here only conveying an opinion that might change the mindset of all my friends. With the smoking ban polished in the same areas of campus that fully supports this effort, then is an important step towards a healthier campus, not only for smokers, but also for the other people around them. Remember that every small step we take can have a big impact on our collective health. Thank you for all attention. If I won't come for me, and if right comes for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Santi Santi Om. Namo Buddhaya, greetings for goodness. Hello everyone, good evening. Today I will to convey the question words. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Indri Aini Dizari Shawalia. You can call me I or Indri. My name is 44241653. I'm from class 441831. I'm from Communication Science Department and I'm from campus Dewi Sartikabi. Okay, what is the question words? The question words is a word or sentence used to ask a question to an interlocutor where the question is to help get more explanation and to seek information. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya tuh question word tuh menanyakan sesuatu untuk mendapatkan lebih penjelasan dan untuk menanyakan informasi. Lalu question words 5W1H maksudnya itu adalah pasti di kalimat tanya ada yang namanya 5W 1H yaitu what, where, when, who, why, and how. Nah, next yang pertama langsung aja ada what. Buat ini tuh kita akan mempertanyakan hal-hal simple atau umum. Oke, example. What is your name? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite song? What is your hobby? And what is your favorite color? Ini sangat simpel banget kan pertanyaan-pertanyaannya. Kayak buat untuk basa-basi di awal-awal perkenalan. Nah, for example in conversation, you can see and I will read one. This Ian. Hi, my name is Ian. What is your name? Gina. Hi, my name is Chaka. Nice to meet you, Ian. Nice to meet you. Sorry guys. Nice to meet you too. Okay. Example 2-nya you can read before your you can read by yourself. Nah, di sini tuh menanyakan nama. Ini kayak simple, kayak udah basic banget ya guys, menanyakan nama dengan what. Lalu yang kedua sih ada yang pastinya menanyakan favorite song. Biasanya tuh kalau misalkan kita ingin berteman dengan seseorang dan ingin memulai percakapan, ingin basa-basi, pasti nanyanya seperti ini. Oke, next, there's who. Who ini pastinya untuk menanyakan seseorang ya. Siapa? Oke, example. Who is your favorite artist? Who are the people in your home? Who is in basketball? Who performed at the school event? And who is your role model? Untuk contoh di sini itu seperti menanyakan siapa siapa yang lebih ke pribadi ya. Tapi ada yang umum juga. Example in conversation, I will read one. This example 1. Solon. Noah, who is your favorite artist in this event? Noah. Alex 17. And you, Solon? My favorite artist is BTS. Noah. Oh cool, they're legend. Nah, di sini sendiri di sini menanyakan tentang favorite artisnya si Noah ini. Nah, kalau di example 2 siapa? Pastinya menanyakan di sini role model. Biasanya kita kalau udah lumayan dekat atau melihat seseorang yang keren dalam melakukan tindakannya, pasti kita akan menanyakan tentang siapa sih yang membuat kamu bisa sekeren ini? Siapa sih yang membuat kamu bisa menjadi terinspirasi gitu. Next ada where. Where sini pastinya menanyakan suatu tempat atau kejadian. Example, where do you live? What is your home address? Guys, this is wrong. Berarti kalau misalkan kita menanyakan home address, masuknya adalah ke what, bukan ke where. Okay, this not it. Okay, the example there's where is the NFN concert? Where did you buy the flowers? And where is the trendy coffee shop? Example in conversation, I will read example 1. Benjamin, hi Vicky. We will do group work at your house. So, where is your house, Vicky? Hi. Oh yeah, my house in the housing block A, number 7, Benjamin. Okay, not. Thank you and see you, Vicky. Vicky, you're welcome. See you. Nah, where di sini sendiri menanyakan rumahnya Vicky karena mereka ingin melakukan group work. Lalu di example 2 di sini, Gisela menanyakan where did you buy the flowers? And winter answer, she bought the flower at flower shop near the park. Menanyakan di mana sih si Winter ini membeli bunga gitu. Next, there's why. Why di sini tuh untuk menanyakan sesuatu yang jawabannya ini tuh lumayan panjang dan menjelaskan sesuatu deh, pokoknya untuk seseorang itu menjelaskan sesuatu. Example, why do you like coffee so much? Why do you go home first? Why did you get fooled? Why are you so beautiful? And last, why did you hurt your hand? In example in conversation, there's J. There's a new cafe. Want to try the coffee? Jake. I can, but you already drank coffee earlier. Jay. So what? It's delicious. Jake. Why do you like coffee? And Jay answer. Besides being able to make me not fall asleep, it tastes good like bitter and then there is sweet and sometimes very again. And also smells very good. Jake. It seems like you really love coffee. And Jay answer, of course I am. Jadi di sini tuh eh Jake yang menanya, why do you like coffee? Dia meminta penjelasan kenapa si Jay ini suka banget sama yang namanya coffee. Lalu selanjutnya ada when. When ini pasti menanyakan kapan. Bisa tanggal dan waktu. Example, when is an anniversary? When are you going to London? When will the train to Bekasi arrive? When did you start liking R&B song? When did you buy a motorcycle? Example in conversation. Example. 1 bit. Hey Anton, want to go home together? Anton. I can. So let's do it now. Afraid to miss the train. 1 bit. We don't take the train anymore because I already have a motorcycle. Anton. Whoa. When did you buy a motorcycle? 1 bit. Yesterday, a gift for my papa. Anton. Cool. How come? 1 bit. Because I won the basketball competition yesterday. Anton. Oh, because of that. Oke, let's go. Dan di sini menanyakan kapan sih si Wan Bin ini dibelikan motor sama papanya. Dan di sini Wan Bin menjawab kemarin. Nah, berarti di sini menanyakan hari ya atau waktu. Bisa waktu juga. Next, the last is how. How ini kayak bisa bagaimana, kayak bisa mungkin bagaimana cara membuat apa atau bagaimana apa gitu banyak ya seperti example-nya dia ada how are you, how do you put this Lego together, how do you make cookies, how to keep the event running smoothly, and last, how did you get the flu. Example in conversation this Liz, hi, you look sluggish. Ray, hi, yes, I have a flu. Liz, how did you get the flu? Right. I get caught in the rain yesterday. Liz. Oh my. Get well soon. Right. Thank you. Nah, how di sini adalah menanyakan bagaimana nih si Ray ini tuh bisa terkenal flu gitu. Nah, Ray menjawab lagi, I get caught in the rain yesterday. Dia tuh terkena hujan gitu, hujanan kemarin gitu. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. Semoga membantu. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.